Good morning. Happy, what the fuck day is it? Sunday. I'm running off 4 hours of sleep. Good morning. Check out the OOTD today. White halter top, black cargo pants, and I'm probably gonna wear Converse. It is 2 o'clock. I'm off to pick up Lauren and Victoria. We're gonna do a little shopping, maybe grab a little bit of food. And then at 3:30 we're seeing the Barbie movie. I'm so fucking excited. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I am off to work. Well, I'm off to get my breakfast and my matcha tea latte because I'm obsessed. And today's actually my brother-in-law Ethan's birthday, so happy birthday. There is a dinner for him tonight. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna try, but there's a chance that I won't. But I hope that I do. Yum. Hi guys, happy Wednesday. It is 2:50 right now. Today I have not done a whole lot. We woke up super early. Liam is off today, which is so nice that we can spend the day together. Hardly ever get to see him for extended periods of time. So we got up super early. We went and got coffee at Starbucks, matcha for me. And we were at the grocery store like 7 a.m. getting groceries because I said I was gonna make breakfast, and I got stuff to make dinner as well. I'm making homemade hamburger helper for dinner, and I'm so excited. It looks so good. I've never even had hamburger helper before, but I came across this TikTok last night and I was like, I'm making that tomorrow. Anywho, after that, I had a 2-hour nap because I got up way too early. Just gonna say it. And then I went and got a sandwich with my mom at a local bakery. Delicious. And now I am going to reorganize the closet, make it more functional, and then I have all of these clothes out here on the futon to put away. And Liam is gonna help me. He doesn't know it yet, but he's gonna. Babe?
Yep.
You alright over there? Super quiet. I don't even hear the cheese going, so I'm just...
Bothering it. Well, why we didn't get a bag of shredded cheese?
Because it's not good. It's not... It doesn't have as much flavor.